This is a woman stainless steel pink watch. So you can see it comes in a very good gift box, and then even the bracelet, like the chain, is of good. This you can see like the paint and the little crystal work around the glasses, around the clock is good. See, like the bracelet is of a high quality, like the steel metal one, and then the holes are also metallic. See, here also is like it's a good bracelet, like, and you can see in the back it says stainless steel, and it also shows like the battery one and the waterproof thing. It's a Beasley company, so you can see like you can rotate it here, and then if you press it, it start working like this. There is no date and time, but there is a small gem on at the 12 side, and when you put it on the hands, looks better. Like, see this effect.